Welcome to our channel. If you haven't subscribed, do please subscribe my channel. And in this video, we are going to learn how to use can or can't in the sense of ability. That is, when someone or something is capable to do something, when someone or something is able to do something, or when someone or something is skillful to do something, we can use the word can to express their skill, to express their ability, or inability we use can't. Let us find in detail. In affirmative sentences, when somebody is skillful in doing something, we use can to express that. I can, that means I am able to do. I am skillful to do something. You can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, they can. Thus, can is used in affirmative sentences to express the ability or the skillfulness to do something. Let's try to find with some examples. Parrots can talk. Yes, we can. That means parrots are able to talk as human beings. Parrots have ability to talk like human being. Thus, parrots got ability to do something. Then it can be expressed using the word can. Parrots can talk. That means parrots have ability to talk. One more example is here. Kangaroos can jump. Yes, kangaroos have ability to jump. Humans can jump too. That means human beings also have the ability to jump. Cheetahs can run very fast. That means it is the ability of cheetahs to run fast. Some people can run very fast too. In the similar manner as cheetahs have ability to run fast, some people have ability to run very fast. Dolphins can swim. Yes, it is the dolphin's ability to swim. Many people can swim too. In the similar manner as well as dolphin, many people can swim too. That means many people have ability to swim. Till now we have seen how to use can for expressing ability of someone or something using can in affirmative sentences positively. Now let us find how can we use can that expresses inability in negative sentences. I can, when you add not, it will become I cannot. You can say I cannot. It may be used as I can't. I can, ability. I can't, unable to do something. When you use can, that means you are able to do. You have ability to do. When you use can't, that means you are not able to do. You have no ability to do. You cannot, you can't. He cannot, he can't. She cannot, she can't. It cannot, it can't. We cannot, we can't. You cannot, you can't. They cannot, they can't. Both are correct, both are possible, but usually in spoken English we use contrasted forms like I can't, you can't, he can't, she can't, it can't, we can't, you can't, they can't. All these means they are not able to do something. Now let us find them using simple examples. Parrots can't swim. That means parrots are not able to swim. Parrots have not ability to swim. No, we can't. Kangaroos can't talk. No, they can't talk. Kangaroos can't talk. That means Kangaroos have not got the ability to talk. Dolphins can't run. That means dolphins have not got ability to run. Elephants can't jump. That means elephants have not got the ability to jump. Thus, till now we have learnt how to use can and can't to express the ability or inability. Now let us find how to use can or cannot in questions, which are interrogative sentences, and how to answer them as well. In affirmative sentences and in positive sense, we use I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, and so on. But when it comes to a question which is an interrogative sentence, can be inversion of the places of subject and verb. Here you can see it. Can I? Can I do something? Can I speak English? Can I run fast? Can you? For these two questions, can I or can you, if it is the positive answer, you can say yes, I can. Yes, you can. If it is the negative answer, you can say no, I can't. No, you can't. Can he? Can she? Can it? For these three questions, if the answer is positive, you can say yes, he can. Yes, she can. Yes, it can. But if it is the answer negative, the answer will be no, he can't. No, she can't. No, it can't. And can we? Can you? Can they? And the answer will be, if positive, yes, we can. Yes, you can. Yes, they can. If the answer is negative, no, we can't. No, you can't. No, they can't. Thus, inverting the place of subject and verb, we can make questions or change the affirmatives into interrogatives. Let us find them using few questions examples. Can dolphins swim? That means you're asking a question of the ability of dolphins, whether they swim or not, whether they have ability to swim or not. Obviously, yes, they can, because there is the ability of swimming among dolphins. Hence, dolphins can swim. Can elephants jump? Obviously, no. No, they can't, because elephants have not got the ability to jump. Can kangaroos fly? No, they can't. Kangaroos have not got the ability, hence the answer is no, they can't. Can parrots talk? Yes, they can. Some parrots have the ability to talk like man. So, inverting the subject and the verb, we can make questions which we call interrogative sentences. So, till now we have tried to understand how to use can and cannot in affirmative sentences positively and negatively, and how to use can or cannot in interrogative sentences in the sense of ability. And one more usage is there for using can, which is permission. When you want to take permission or when you want to give permission, we use can or can't. Here let us find with some examples. Can I clean the blackboard, please? When she asks the question, that means she is requesting for permission to clean the blackboard herself. She is requesting somebody, it might be a teacher or somebody else, for permission. Can I open the window, please? Here the room may be very hot and the windows were closed. He felt very hot in the room and he asked for permission to open the window. Can I open the window, please? Can I sharpen my pencil, please? His pencil might have been a blunt. He is not able to write with the pencil, and thus he wanted permission to sharpen the pencil. Hence, he asked using the word can for permission. Can I sharpen my pencil, please? Can I go to toilet, please? Here he is asking for permission to go to toilet. Thanks for watching this video. Till now we have learned how to use can and can't for expressing ability and for asking permission. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel and share my videos among children and teachers. Thank you.